Okay, what's up guys? Evan Aldo here. This is an emergency video. It's the first emergency video I've made in my entire life. Probably not going to do this too often, but what I want to tell you guys, and this is super important here, you know, Bitcoin needs, so to remain in a macro level, so we're in a mini bear market. That's why I consider this, right here, mini bear market. And right here, as soon as we lost, probably the bull market support area around 48 or whatever, mini bear market here. When it becomes a real market, real bear market, like full real bear market on the macro scale, is when we lose this spiral line right here. Look at this. This is so important. Two places right here where we bounced off of this, we kept it, and then we came up. We're toying with that line right now as we speak. It's a little bit lower. It's about 34 point, well, let's see, 34.2, 34.3K, around there. So we're toying with it. We bounced off of it nicely, which is a good sign. We had a good reaction. There is a possibility we could keep that. I mean, it's something like this. If you repeat the same thing that happened here, come down maybe in a month from now, February 16th, mid-February, you hit that, and then you recover upward and continue kind of the same pattern in the macro bull run. However, if we lose this line, if we lose this area, if we bounce around here, the bull run's over. All you grizzly bears are right. I was wrong. It doesn't really matter in the macro scale. I mean, you don't really need to know what's going to happen to make money trading. You just need a strategy that works over time, which is why, my calls in my exclusive Discord have been pretty spot on. Not right 100% of the time, no one is, but pretty good for the most part. Still made money in this environment, even though I've been thinking we've had a trend reversal for a while. It's okay though. Your hope here is, look at your 2-day. So curving around with the RSIs, it looks kind of like it looked here. Looks like we could have the thing where we come up, maybe back down, then come up again. And you complete, go back up. So here, you're coming around just like here. It's possible we're getting to that point. This is a strong area to look at, a very strong area to look at. If we look at the daily, kind of the same deal. RSI's down. They look the same as they looked over here, meaning you're nearing the bottom. So there is some hope. There definitely is some hope here. And you're coming up, same deal, 12-hour. This all looks how it looked back here. Looks similar. And then your lower time frames, you're getting a divergence on your 4-hour. It's a nice divergence from here to here. Does look like, and this is another thing too. Look at how far we've come down. A 50% correction here, 50%, basically exactly 50%, a little bit over, just a wick down below it. Usually people try to eat it up a little bit at 50%. Usually 50% corrections are big places where people look to buy. So it's a big thing too. And onto your lower time frames, you do have good curvature on your 30-minute. There is some hope here. 4ELX is, it doesn't always work, but look for sell exhaustion. There is some sell exhaustion. This looks very, very oversold. 4ELX is here. I believe on the 10-hour we have 4ELXs as well. So 4ELX is popping up in a lot of places. You still want to look for sell exhaustion. It's not a end-all be-all thing right there. Obviously here it didn't work. You came down more. But there is some hope. Your hourly 5ELXs, 4 or 5ELXs, that's what you want to look for. So there is a bit of hope. This is a very, very important level. We could lose it. I mean, there is hope here. I'd give it, it's probably 55-45. I'd say 55%. We'd keep it. 45%, we just go down, lose the bull run. I almost feel like it's a little bit higher of a chance than that. I almost feel like we should be able to, kind of keep it, that normal kind of triangle pattern here, one triangle, two triangle. This would be an area, sure, maybe come down to, in terms of how low I think we could go, if you look at, previous cycles, the previous bull run high, usually, so the 20K previous bull run high, usually, it's never gone below that in actuality. So that's why the lowest I could see us going is around 20K. Maybe, mid 20Ks are kind of more of a place to look at. If we do enter the bear market, do lose this level, we'll probably, there should be a big reaction at 30K. That's going to be a nice scalp trade at least. Then after that, mid 20Ks, big buying opportunity, In terms of going below that, I don't really see us going below mid 20Ks. Obviously, anything could happen. I don't really see 10K. I just don't really see 10K, but that's me. So yeah, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Just wanted to let you know about that. Hope you have a good weekend. Leave a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Check out my trading course below, 16% off, discount code Trade Forever. Check out my exclusive Discord with some of my exclusive TA. Link in the description below. It's through Patreon. If you want to create a new BITGET account, link in the description below. New FAIRDESK account. There's some good deals going on right now. Everything below are things that I personally use and have benefited from. Market Cipher, 15% off. Check out my link in the description below. All right, guys, have a good one.